Welcome to Coffee with Tom. In today's episode, we have one of the best football player of India. He is also known as the Wall of Football team. So much so that he has won the Best Defender of the Year for the season 2008 and 9. He is currently the technical head of Cargo football team, and he is none other than Mr. Gouramangi Moirangthem. Welcome to the show, sir.
It's my pleasure.
So first of all, I nahangzaningi se hauzik matam se sir se Bangalore to Imphal to Bangalore. We see you going up and down. So do we have to be excited about something new?
It's not really to be excited, but I think I give them I mean, Imphal Bangalore I na settle to say right now at the moment Cargo something that with me and Karan my other partner in Cargo that set up at the same time Bangalore is so another opportunity for me as I have done actively playing football active playing career then I'm more involved because I football involved in coaching careers but if I have to get into the coaching career I have to complete whatever the licenses I am doing. So right now I am in the middle of a license course, which is one of the again there's more to go, but I don't want to license a license course Bombay and that's the reason why Bombay Bangalore in fact settled to and Bangalore Sina in a Bangalore United the team Anobama is newly coming up and not coming up but it's already there for the last few few months. Sida head coach Mr. Richard Hood is one of the instructor of football. So I just got a call a few months back. Do you mind or would like to just join me for a short period? I know the from that just help me or kind of help each other. Club to establish or set up to that. So that is one of the reason why I've been just settling between the two cities.
Okay. Adu na hojik present ki oge ko. Katang past changaga like childhood ki maram na katang haibiyo and why did you choose football as your career? Ado khoi na taza badasu sir say like Renedigi inspired to haiba. Tell us something about that also.
Yeah, I mean because Darin the say we are neighbors in because we both come from my Loina Horokpanina. So he's my who's never and he's of course some years I think seniors when I was growing up Magi sibling Magi brothers and sisters brothers and sisters we all go to the same school Manipuri public school school then I think like you said the football say I would say I will not change a thing if I look back I would say by accident or like lower yamna pamadi pamba yamna ngang with sanar pudina sadi adu kharthena sana hawdi hore yamni pamjaba yengba the football se follow to then matam duda horko matam duda sa high worship my in and around village so there's a lot of open fields like sana bam yaure adugu as far as I remember Darin Disu he was mazi amantana yum thado yum dagi kano tawraga tata football academy satkirame so we don't get to see him also sa hajigiba then yeah adagi dum hoisu sana basum kadai dei how ka thieng so thieng na like say sul kana dum then yeah, I think it was I fortunate that I later part of my Magi career, so that we both ended up playing in the Indian team together for many years. Like go to share the dressing room. I still remember in a public school car in the library the magazine or Telegraph or Statesman and Indian football not internet so I used to know or Maming Tholkodo, I am Bijan or Bachum Bhutia or some other job and cherry or to an extent Sahikar Lagadi, maybe Darindi. So those are the few people that Indian football follow to. So to many ways they are the only few names that who are not just me but I think my generation many younger generation so these are the few names that we get to hear like
okay so decided to work a football player mo again but hadi changna bagi lambi se ke khangan deba so how did you know who guided you to this career
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯆꯪꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯐꯥꯎꯗꯤ still I once ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯦ ꯆꯪꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯐꯥꯎꯗꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯪꯒꯗꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ not very clear ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ it was very ꯑꯩꯅ ꯆꯪꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯁꯨ a big challenge ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ same thought ꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯄꯥ ꯃꯃꯥꯗ one day morning ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯄꯄꯥ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ football ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯆꯠꯂꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ it was a big kind of a big ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ shock ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ because they don't know ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯖꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ so ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ school ꯀꯥꯔꯒ college complete or uni complete tawraga maybe look for a job haidi that was a normal haidi akhoi lori traditional kanogi concepts me amna leiruse mindset sida so but as I hijack maybe it was maybe I meant to haidi sana wo haina dum football player o haina tamama bagira dum aina class 10 hek thaba loibaga adugi dum mantu I say maybe I was lucky matam da akhoi gi Tata Football Academy open trial ka sila ami there was only one residential premium academy in the country Tata Football Academy gi sida so adumana journey is that's how I begin my journey adugi live club haigadra Manipur da adugi then after so much of haidi papa madam somehow managed to convince them adu tawraga I went to for the last final trial to Jamshedpur the Tata Football Academy hada later then that's how the journey begins
so initially parents na support tawramdabra kamaina taw
support tawdi have su yaro kaino hagadi I think I understand I respect their opinion the moigi opinion respect to have because they don't know mojo kam khangjade haidi akhoi gi family de so there's no one haidi kanamta leite not just football but sports ki maramda khangba kanamta leisu leite aduna moina di papa was haidi papa ju yamna haidi apprehension oibedo haidi like to orga budi like me am like school ka abnina silu orga kari tamdawa habdo amada hangnaso so sports di kanada hanguni hangfam leite so that was skeptical adubu then maybe ngasa hajagiba ina maybe I managed to convince them and convince to I sanarge haina I remember papa na no mahai morning da ina smaina I football sana satlage ha matam da the only one thing wana hayan khonda ki ina no da hajaning budi haying maybe after 10-20 years down the line I know the like see Adam school continue to know or college continue to know insist to get higher for the other go higher and papa there for no reason instantly and papa I come higher ahead so till today I mama papa just come high so but yeah I miss in a sense the school college college life sing do them yeah but I try to them mark the correspondent tam kai them like as much as I can not to miss it
since we are talking about parents
I mama giving Nalini Moirangthem adagi babai mingna Gouramangi Moirangthem so aina kanone eldest in the akhoi sibling akhoi mari da akhoi nu pani nu pini aina koi ahanni
okay
akhoi awang se mai dagi akhoi
football da hadi career oina horakhiba se exactly chahi karamba year dagi oi doing
aina sometime 99 2000 chang paswai matang sida akhoi na class 10 gi ka kana prepare to matam ade class 9 da khara akhoi gi otherwise kharang haidi nu pa macha ama like that's 14-15 years old matam gi that you just want to do what you feel like it is kind of adugi ama leiba matam kara adwai matam da yam kana yamna haidi started to kano sana badam spend to horokre haidi school halaga tuition chatlaga na chatring do orga so at least 1 hour gumba ground thokna bagi haidi every time adum tanja ama ek opportunity phang the ground chathona bagi sumaina haidi adigi like on kitang compromise ha tawrki adugi do tahoning de haidi matam da if I look back that's only thing I na kitang kharagi hena like to spend tawmadi yeah then again you can it's not regret again haidi adu tawmadi may football am suram da su yai aduna somewhere adu I do kitang hena balance tawmaga would have haidi da like to so hapko hena consider tawmadi because I also show them angang sanaba angang samayam akoda
so chahi exactly not so approximately 19 kaya do
2000 gi April 4th I still remember in a Tata Football Academy joined to
okay
so I was just in a class 10 hectare
football sida sumaina changaga so Indian team da hadi sanaba se it's very hard for some football aspirants to play for Indian football teams. How did you that come about?
Sana bhai je akhoi school matam da sana bhai je mayam na uri se adum ground thoga ball tanar mayam chel haidi like physical activities on urame adagi sana din ngani like yamna like to yam part to ya da haibada but it was not the case changak matung da gidi haida khoi hostel chang matam da gidi morning evening like throughout the year haidi akoi football train tawa horakle and try to information me among people horakle that how you have to deal with the certain situations haidi ngasagi like professionally no changba hoge how ge haina khala agadi so adu matam da what something that yamna akoi da shock tin nate adu reality deal tawa horakle reality tawa horak pase aina sa haije ki ba 2000 gi April da join tawraga tha manga tha taruk ki akoi probation period amagi letter period akoi join taw matam da akoi permanent join taw sunate so they have to see as akoi any thawak chang matam akoi probation period to mana akoi probation period when as inductive na chang then the no can training na chang matam da so inductive chang matam da so we have to see that akoi progress utar dia training physically or mentally whatever the more you can criteria da aduga sometime after 6 months ki manung sida 6 months loram dai swai gi sida akoi hoji under 16 under 17 sub junior akoi national championship se sigi je akoi se Bihar gi represent out chatpa yaw phangi matam sida then haidi akoi gi di kamda matam da target kam leite target hai se you have to win and come back because akoi gi age group to the you guys have picked up from all over the country consider tawraga noise noina khwaidagi one of the noise aphabane had consider tawpur amnina noigi age group ki tournament the national championship you have to win it moina hydra so that was the kind of environment we are proud hadi proud tor posida aduga ngomdragadi you know that there will be replacement for you akuna chatlaga hon khortragadi noigi mahutta atopa state mayam noigi age group ki noigi mayam batsman la posin moina they will replace you then sa how reality the deal taw harle if you say this is a job you do it, you don't do it, then there will be other people, to take your place. That was the first. Within 6 months to the like now you have to be your best, the best you can. Compete for everything, fight for everything, fight for your place. So that was the journey.
Okay. And how was it like playing for the Indian football team?
I think Manipuri haidi khusmaina koi small state amadagi suddenly you dream of playing for country haidi sometimes maybe little karina koi gi unrealistic oi brand khale dream tawraga so there was very unrealistic dream amoina but adubu once you are haidi ngasagi environment ngasagi TFA york matam dagi you can see that if you go back to the changbudi 2000 the changbane 87 akoi first batch to lay given aduna adu mamang there are already 60-70 former international or current international mayama like TFS produce matam do that when senior national team the as group sanai player as akoi academy mayama mi yaw level so we are like okay so you have to be the best compete for the best and the masagi hariba no so yaw kada ban have those that kind of idea that you have to fight every day have you can say akoi so admina environment of the changa ab hor abnina started to dream that it is possible and to play for your country oh India akoi na school the national team sakko khap matam da just normals can matam adu now that believe in yourself that I believe to the sang ba horai ki now I want to wear that color I think it's like the blue jersey do again sing the national anthem travel around the world sigi kitang adom da sang ba khara horakle so then like I said you said again it was a big thing for any football player the hanguragadi representing your country is the ultimate that's what you play for.
Okay. The football career, bagi maram oraga, you have traveled so much around the world, around the countries. So aduduna have, has it influenced your lifestyle?
Yeah, I think knowingly or unknowingly, I think definitely influence it. Tawpham tawsu tawe khaliko. Because you learn certain things, you learn intensely traveling around the world, the kind of exposure, the kind of experience you had this incidents that even you don't remember khangdana tawkiba mayama khangna tawa mayama tamna hona mayama ano culture language or meeting people different kind of people every other day interacting I think that helps you or kind of helps you every day to grow as you as a person also your personality overall
wari di yang nungai na salary adu break machang tang laminas break matungda taram na okchari wari se makhatara koina Indian football scenario se decade amagi mamang dagi thik khatang change leram do male ba ko ISL su la e mathang mayam la e ba dui matang da khatang thambi
hoi nga kanoge it's a ever changing scenario in adum Kano chahi hoi chahi tara mamangdagi haigabdi definitely hojikina much better kano che hadi hoi chahi taruk faramani hoi ISL lakiba the ISL mamangdagi so hoi I League nasu like huge contribution hoi kano Indian football da adu hojik ISL lae dagi yeah, that's a lot of Indian team good performance in the last 2-3 years been consistent so dagi yeah, a lot of not just hadi hoi senior team dagi junior team performance katana parents ingi dagi angang at the hoi grassroots level then participation yam hengatle not just hadi hoi hana the north is katang the yamna focus toramba hadi yamna football it's more like hoi part in kada hoi part and parcel of hoi lifestyle and harmado it's spreading everywhere hadi like many hoi so-called metro cities in the so spreading out and moina hena yamna active work khat hojik se so I think that's a changing scenario definitely hoi a positive scenario mane
okay adum Manipur da hadi maitai macha sing se football natrasu any other sports adum yamna haigaleba adu oraga so haibadi something is always lacking behind why do you think it's like that
maybe it's kind of hoi different profession gi kind of so like ngani ka hoi dynamic su can di kana ngani adu ka so asagi when it comes to professionalism ha ga di hoi kitang live active am hai gana sagi hai khoi Manipur gumba khoi small state gumba jada hana dagli phagale hai ga su khoi gi like professional club like last 2 years hero kana Manipur dagi represent tawraga I represent tawramba then handak su kitang moi financial issue dagi moi yauni yauroi smaina khoi gi kitang uncertain leiba dagi trial qualify orakpa but still smaina hai club ani ahum si katana tana we need more idea khoi highest level the participate or gadi asai haijari ba khoi Manipur gumba I'm just talking kind of the football thing because since I come from the football they obnina so I think it's the same story se khoi loina topa kind of the so sports topa games so discipline the so ko aduna we need more people more people having say sana bhakta na sana bhai se football player khatan ground top opponents of course they are the khoi sana players in a sana player dagi khudi mo se develop around to the work so infrastructure development asagi government gi like utmost support dagi loina not just the government individual like yam na sa hai se khoi football sana hai ga football gi playing field ma'am se marang ka hanba khoi open field ma'am lai hai ga hojikti changing scenario si dadi khoi maintain tori bitaw dabra ngang singdu adigi mogi safe environment oi dabra aduna khoi basic infrastructure need to be in the place to put na ba sigi match ma thoyam ta ran khale then hiding aside haije ki ba khoi gi ai khoi gi matam da di leram dab da hojikti like kind of sports companies in players represent tawba moina sai gi sigum ba gi khoi gi sport just stakeholders in just players ka tana taba clubs ki hariba asai gi government gi state FA topa NGOs in corporate sectors in haidi asai gi cho aru ba important stakeholders in se khoi so presence se khoi so kitang di wat liba aduna sigum ba gi se dugi matik thuna mayam moina honara ga la agadi then I think that's the future khoi gi se
okay so what it takes to become a football player
what it takes to become a football player
like tun goina sang na adum successfully oi na bai tar
I think what works for me I think it's for the most of the people if we go and me my field or it can be any field not just in football if you go and try to study or listen to their interviews or the consistency is the key to everything consistent like it's not about going like season amana yamna like a boom so the consistency is the key word so looks simple the word consistent I'm the consistent but I think you have to do a lot of say checks in like you need to really focus on that and keep maintaining that need to remember that like who you are, what you are, why are you doing this. So a lot of us as a professional the higher like discipline me say hi some tumba chaba kari chari your training schedules and trainings you need extra trainings extra cares so I think that comes like within you you need to keep throwing questions to yourself every other day am I in the right position, am I in the right place, or am I eating the right foods, am I having enough rest like for me to recover. So haidi sumana like a self discipline mayam I think it's very important.
Chabagi matangda laga, I'm sure you follow a strict diet. But I'm sure you also have a cheat day. Cheat day meloina, what is your favorite cheat day meal?
Yeah, of course. I think yes, cheat day. Of course, like we have we try as much as we can. Other cheat days, I mean, of course, I love to eat everything. I think I come from a place, I Manipuri, like chak, rice is a staple food for us. I don't know. Sometimes chaks if they have not so it's a lot of carbs and calories, and sometimes yeah, we eat. It's not that chak have the chak in so sometimes here in all kinds of foods are available everywhere. So when you are like, see, I'm talking about when I was we try to stick to the diet, to the whatever nutrition but still we do have a diet. Cheat days. Yeah, I love seafood, and not just the seafood, but all kind of other junk stuff. So I do it.
The Cargo football turf. I think it started in 2017, was it?
2018.
2018. So how did it happen? Like pre-planned, or gibrana taga spontaneously dum hauge na wakanda khalaga haugiba kamai taugiba.
It was because aina dum haidis mana hoigi sanabugi travel taubo matamda when you travel to different places all over the country or within the country or other places haidis mana hoigi tough kumbagi can say like you get to see everywhere. I mean many other hoigi can metro cities in that. Then I think my like how she is my ideas and lucky like because I do believe that this was when 2008-9 and when actively Indian team chatting one thing we were always even the coach would encourage was you keep saying that you need more participation at the grassroots levels, but angang mayam si football sano higher so sanapom literally kamay sanagani. So that's when I think hoy ground as a high Manipuri open film mayam like maintain to the kamay sano ni hoy fazana sanan ke hargadi. So matam duda then I think it was always in my head matam ngamjar agadi, then I would love to own a football pitch a ground like sport facilities and so let's say it's still a distant dream so then matam duda ina because I the pra nam korea say the time pan the pra full time to the permanent based on ngam kida sana chatting so it's been few years I do know current for some years now I can also current then socially we talk so much about football because he's so much into football I don't know so we ended up that even he do also kind of this idea then I said like okay fine, why don't instead of just going different ways why don't we club, and then I think that's what probably it's been a blessing in the disguise such a
so do we like expect katangli tawramgani because he's a horaga mayam na kamaina response la kani have did it meet your expectation?
Yeah, yes, there was expectation because we don't know to be honest. I think the plan has a plan we cannot thawam taw don't in the plan so we don't know. We say like okay, let's take it's a big gamble. I fall the matam da kogi fall gi kanu study kanam tan taw da pot amoy binina we said ki okay taw se it's a big gamble adum taw se haidana like we don't know, we didn't I would say yamna when expectation yamna tawgite haidika khangdabni we don't know how the markets how the people is going to respond to us, so we just went in with our kind of gut feeling to the
we have prepared something fun for the viewers as well as for us, so this is kind of a rapid fire round. I'll ask yam tu na kumbiro answer doka footballer amo oram dragadi kari oram gani
I just ended up taking up a job. Yeah.
Okay. Wakal da ihan hana lakpa mi amagi maming haibiu.
Ihan lakpa.
Yeah.
Yeah, my mom.
Okay. Khaidagi pamjaba achapot.
Achapot to the not a chapot fruit sorry. That's not
okay. Manipur gi wang bada lai kharba matamda chaba su phang da ba yamna di chaning ba pot sakama.
Singju.
Khaidagi toina sizinaba machu.
Green.
Isagi punsida ngam khailai tan nungai basi kari na pi.
First thing I think because I'm like hoigi sanabadu yamna it's all it's my kind of it's my passion, it's my kind of first love that which I had I love playing football and I love it, and then again now recently I'm married and like it's been maybe I feel complete now that just married and I'm like quite settled now.
Favorite day of the week?
Favorite day of the week?
Yeah.
Morning. Getting up early and go out to the training field and just smell of the grass there, just do your exercise. Yeah.
Okay. This is for you, Soma. Do you know BTS? Yeah.
Yeah, I know it's just some Korean, some musical band, but I don't know that much into it.
Okay. Makata poina Kago football turf hi hojik anova kai plan lay.
Mathang tha October gi sometime mid adwaida Kago baby league haidana hogi hangang gi grassroots ki under grassroots under 8 under 6 under 12 so below under 12 ki league ama for 4 months ki league ama launch down na ba hauna ba gi almost same sabdi loirakle so yeah, that's a immediate moigi plan and how already existing plan training center lady but that is the plan for the next month.
Okay. Coming to an end, we would like to give this small token of gift from our side for giving us this time.
Okay, thanks so much. Yeah,
okay.
Thank you.
Lastly, I would like to request you to give us a short message for the public, for the football lovers, for the people of Manipur.
If you love the game, just keep following it. Be sincere to yourself. Like whatever you want to do when it comes to the training, just make sure that go out, train there, and just be disciplined. Just follow your dream.
Okay. Thank you so much for coming to our show.
Thank you so much.
Giving us this valuable time. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
We have come to the end of today's episode. We will be right back again next week with a new guest. Thank you so much.